Welcome to the Maluka Academy. Myself Anil Kumar Khija, class 10th, and today I will start the topic coordinate geometry. So this is class 10th and topic is coordinate geometry. And another name for this topic is also this is also known as analytical geometry, that is geometry using the coordinates. So when we talk of a coordinate geometry, we have to learn about the coordinate system, that is we have got x-axis, O is the origin, then y, O, y dash is the y-axis, and take any point P here, let it be xy. So this will be, this distance will be, so this is your x, this is your y. So this is, we can say this is x and this is y, and parallel to this, this is y and this is x, and this is how we can plot a point in coordinate geometry. Then when we draw a graph x-axis and y-axis, what do we get? We get the whole plane divided into 4 parts, that is these are known as quadrants. So this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now if we talk of the x-axis only, so there will be y coordinate will be 0. So any point on x-axis will be x0. So any point on x-axis is x comma 0, and any coordinate on y-axis is 0 comma y, and in this we have got x coordinate is 0, and x-axis or x coordinate in pxy, x is also known as abscissa and y is known as ordinate. So we can this is our y's with what we have did in your 10th class. Then perpendicular distance from point onto the x-axis is equal to y, and perpendicular distance from a point onto y-axis is equal to x. So you can check this from the figure also. So this is the perpendicular distance of point from x-axis. We can say perpendicular distance of pxy to x-axis is y, and perpendicular distance of pxy to y-axis is x. Okay. So this is regarding your quadrants, origin, abscissa, ordinate. Then what are the rules of the signing the signs of the coordinates? So if we take first quadrant, this is the first quadrant, this is known as x, o, y, and in x, o, y we know that this is x is positive, y is positive, so we can say that both the coordinates will be positive. So this is, we can say here, so these two will be positive in this. In second quadrant, the quadrant is x dash o y. So this is the part where the second quadrant coordinates will come, points will come, and the coordinates will be, we know that x dash means negative x. So this will be negative, o is origin and y is positive. So this will be negative and positive, x will be negative and y will be positive. And in third quadrant we have got x dash o y dash. So this is x dash o y dash, and in this case we know that x dash and y dash is there. So here there will be both negative coordinates for the point, so negative and negative. And in the fourth quadrant, So what is there in fourth quadrant? X O Y dash. So this will be x is positive and y is negative. So we can check that. You can see that all the points or coordinates we can get it in the various quadrants. Now moving on to the next part, we have got distance formula. Distance formula. So this formula is used to find the distance between two coordinates. Let us assume the coordinates be P, points be P and Q, its coordinates are x1, y1 and its coordinates are x2, y2. And we can draw perpendiculars onto it. So this will be here. We want to find PQ. So this is your x1, this is your x2, this is y1, this is y2. And this we can say PQ, let this point be A. So what is this is AP. AP will be equal to x2 minus x1 because A is x2 and P is x1. So from here we can write this is x1 minus x2 minus x1 and this is y2 minus y1. And we want to find PQ in triangle APQ. APQ, this is right angle triangle. So we can say that PQ square will be equal to AP square plus AQ square. So PQ square will be equal to AP is x2 minus x1 whole square and AQ is y2 minus y1 whole square. So this gives you the distance formula, that is PQ square will be under root x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square. So remember this formula. This is the formula to find the distance between 2 points, and if one of the points is your origin, then what will be the formula? So then the case will be like this. This is Pxy and this is O is origin, which is 0 0, and OP will be equal to, using the distance formula, x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 whole square. So OP will be equal to under root x square plus y square. So distance of a point from origin is given by sum of the squares of its coordinates, square root of sum of square of its coordinates. So this will be your distance from origin, distance between 2 points. So then we will do certain questions based upon this formula. So for this we will rub this part. Then how do we can remember the formula? So just look at the different distance formula. This is x2 minus x1, this is y2 minus y1. So we can write distance as under root of difference in abscissa square plus difference in ordinates. So this is how we can write it. What we have to do, just get the difference of ordinates and abscissas, add them and get the square root, you will get the distance between 2 points. So we will use the this formula to find the distance between various points. So simplest of the question is find distance between -6, 7, -1, -5. Question first, find distance between P -6, -7 and Q -1, 5. -1, -5, and this is okay. Then PQ will be equal to, this will be your x1, this y1, x2 and y2, and PQ will be under root x2 minus x1, -1 plus 6 whole square -5 minus 7 whole square. So this will be equal to -1 plus 6 is 5 square. This is -12 square under root of 25, 144. This is 169 under root, this is 13. So this 13 units is the distance between PQ. So then second part of it is find the distance between A plus B, A minus B, A minus B, minus A minus B. So this is your R is A plus B, A minus B, and S is A minus B minus A minus B. So what is there? Just look at this. So this is the first point, this is second point. RS will be equal to, so difference between the abscissas, that is A minus B. This is the abscissa of second point minus abscissa of first point, A plus B. So minus A minus B square plus minus A minus B and minus A plus B whole square. Now what will be, you get cancelled from here, minus 2B square you will get from here, plus, and here B will go, minus 2A square will get. So here it will be 4B square, 4A square. So for 4 we take common, 2 out, as square root of 4, A square plus B square. Then third part for this is find the distance between AT1 square to AT1 AB, AT1 square to AT1 B, AT2 square to AT2. So AB will be equal to, so this is the distance between AT2 square minus AT1 square whole square plus 2AT2 minus 2AT1 whole square. So you can check that there is A in all the 4 quantities. So we take A common from, so when you take A, जब इसमें बाहर निकलेगा तो स्केयर साथ में आएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज स्केयर है, बार में अंडर रूट भी है, तो क्या आ जाएगा ये A अंडर रूट में क्या रह जाएगा फिर T2 माइनस T1 साथ में स्केयर है होल स्केयर प्लस T2 माइनस T1 का होल स्केयर. तो इसमें हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, अब ये हमारा क्या है T2 माइनस T1, T2 प्लस T1 स्केयर प्लस T2 माइनस T1 का होल स्केयर. तो अब यहाँ पे भी T2 माइनस T1 है, यहाँ पे भी है, इसको बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. जब ब्रैकेट से बाहर निकालेंगे तो स्केयर आएगा, लेकिन साथ में अंडर रूट भी है, तो क्या होगा सिर्फ T2 माइनस T1 ही आएगा. सो दिस विल बी A T2 माइनस T1, अंडर रूट में क्या आ जाएगा T2 प्लस T1 होल स्केयर प्लस 1. सो ये हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा, या इसको हम एक्सपेंड करके भी लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस विल बी योर रिजल्ट. 2. Yes, 2 was also there. So it will be 4 outside this. So this will be 4 and this is 4 here. So we have left this 2 at behind. So you can carry with this. So this will be T2 plus T1 square plus 4. Then next is, so for that we have to rub this part. Then next is if the point xy is equidistant from the point a plus b, b minus a minus b, a plus b. So the question is, question second, if point pxy is equidistant from p from a plus b, b minus a and b, a minus b, a प्लस बी. तो हमने क्या शो करना है इसमें, देन प्रूव दैट ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू बी वाई. सो ये हमने शो करना है इसमें. तो इसमें हमारे पास क्या दिया हुआ है, एक पॉइंट है. सो लेट अस फिगर आउट दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज पी हेयर. Then a point is there whose coordinates are a plus b, b minus a, and there is one point b here, a minus b, a plus b, and coordinates of p are x, y. So we are given with p is equidistant from both points a and b, that is pa is equal to pb. So this is PA is equal to PB, that is P square is equal to PB square, PA square is equal to PB square. So this will be x minus a plus b whole square, y minus b minus a whole square equal to PB square is x minus a minus b whole square plus y minus a plus b whole square. So here we will use the formula for x plus y whole square, that is x square plus y square. So this will be plus 2xy. So this will be x square plus a plus b whole square. There minus is there. 2x a plus b plus y square plus b minus a whole square minus 2y b minus a is equal to other side x square plus a minus b whole square minus 2x a minus b plus y square a plus b whole square minus 2y a plus b. So we have used the formula. So here we can cancel x square, then y square from both sides, then a plus b whole square from both sides, it can be cancelled. Then we have got b minus a whole square, here a minus b whole square. So these are same, because when we take minus common from b minus a, what do we get? So we have got b minus a whole square. When we take minus 1 square, square will come out, this will be a minus b square. So this is again 1 a minus b whole square. So it means these two can be cancelled. Now we are left with minus 2x a plus b minus 2y b minus a minus 2x a minus b minus 2y a plus b. So now we will take the terms to this side. So this will be your minus 2x a plus b plus 2x a minus b and minus 2y a plus b plus 2y b minus a. So what we did, that terms containing x will be taken to one side, to the left hand side, and terms containing y to the right hand side. Then take 2x common from here, this will be minus a minus b plus a minus b. Take 2y common from here, this will be minus a minus b plus b minus a. So here a will be cancelled. So this is 2x into minus 2b. So 2y into b will cancel out, minus 2a. So this is minus 4bx minus 4ay. So this is minus becomes plus, 4 cancels with 4, bx is equal to ay. So this is what we want to prove, ax is equal to by, bx is equal to ai. So this we want to prove, bx is equal to ay. So this we want to prove, hence proved. So then we move to next part. Then we first erase the part so that we can solve next question here. Next question is, question third is, find the value of x if the distance between the points x minus 1 and 3, 2 is 5. Distance between p x minus 1 and q 2, 3 or 3, 2, 3, 2 is 5. So we are given PQ is equal to 5. What we have to do? Find value of x. So you can get it. So this will be PQ square will be equal to 5 square, that is 25. PQ square can be written as x minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 25. X minus 3 whole square minus 3 whole square, that is 9 is equal to 25, x minus 3 whole square is equal to 25 minus 9, x minus 3 whole square is equal to 16. So x minus 3 is equal to plus minus under root 16. So x minus 3 is equal to plus minus 4. So x is equal to plus minus 4 plus 3. So x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 1. So there will be two values of x. For this, distance will be equal to 5. The next question is, question 4th is, show the points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Show A comma A, then minus A comma minus A, and under root 3A comma minus under root 3A comma 3A are vertices of equilateral triangle. Also find its area. So हमने क्या पता करना है, जिसमें हमारे पास 3 पॉइंट दिए हुए हैं. सो 3 पॉइंट्स में क्या है, ए पॉइंट दिया है. अगर इसको हम रफली ड्रा करें तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा ए. दिस विल बी माइनस ए एंड दिस विल बी समवेयर minus under root 3A under root 3A. So let this be A, B, C. These are not coordinate axes. I have just made these 3 points. So this will be simple 3 points are there. So if we join them, so this will be, you will get these 3. So what we have to show here, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So we have to find 3 distances and all those should be equal. So let us find BC will be equal to A plus A whole square, A plus A whole square under root. So this will be your 2A 4A square under root, which is 8A square, which is 2 under root 2A. So this is BC 2 root 2A. Then AB will be equal to minus A plus under root 3A whole square minus A minus under root 3A whole square, then under root. So this will be A, we can take common because A is with all the 4 terms. So A under root minus 1 plus root 3 whole square minus 1. We can take minus common out of it. So this will be 1 plus under root 3 whole square. So this will be A under root, this will be 1 plus 3 plus minus 2 root 3, and this will be 1 plus 3 plus 2 root 3. These two cancels out. So this will come out to be 8. So this will be A under root A 8. This is 2 under root 2A. So this is your AB. And similarly we can get AC also same. AC will be equal to under root of A plus under root 3A whole square plus A minus, this is minus under root 3A whole square, and this also results into 2 under root 2A. So we see that all the 3 sides of triangle are equal. So triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Now we know that area of equilateral triangle is, it is given by under root 3 by 4 side square. So this is under root 3 by 4. What is side here? 2 root 2a whole square. So this will be under root 3 by 4 and this becomes 8a square. So this will be 2. So 2 under root 3a square. So this will be your area of the equilateral triangle. So this we find 2 root 3a square. So we will continue with the same in the forthcoming lectures to follow. So we will see the various questions based upon distance formula, then section formula, area of triangle and so on. So this is very interesting topic of 10th class and this is very much scoring questions are there. So pay attention to these topics and you will enjoy the topic. You can solve yourself all the questions with no problem. In case any problem exists, we are there to help you. So thank you very much. So thank you.